Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Finally, I am reviewing and unboxing the Factor Notes 2024 Happy Hamper. I actually ordered it a bit late, so it arrived a little late, and that's the reason it took so while for me to make this video. But finally, here it's the video. I ordered it I think a couple of weeks back, and I don't know why they did a little delivery late. So guys, order this thing ASAP. Also, I used my code Himani Shah to get extra discount, so I got it at a very good deal. So even you can use that code to get some extra off. Now, first thing that you get in this happy hamper is of course a little note, and yeah, it's just there. But I was overwhelmed with all the things that Factor Notes have included, and I have decided this is going to be one of my planners for the year. Yes, I'm going to be using 2 planners this year. So let me share it with you one by one. First you have is the desk calendar. This is the 2024 Buzz calendar, all floral, honeybee sort of artwork going on. Love it. I'll just give you a quick flip through of these calendars that they've given. Now, I have been, using Factor Notes products since like 3 years now, and I love them. Factor Notes planner was my 2022 planner. And yeah, I really missed it last year, so I am continuing to use Factor Notes this year because I was so overwhelmed with the kind of things that they've offered in their happy hamper. And guys, if you're like me, like a stationery enthusiast, this is what you need, like ASAP. So yeah, first you get is this calendar. Then you get this cute little photo frame. It's like a cardboard photo frame, so pretty cute floral design. I'm planning to keep like a photo of me and my dog, and it's just so cute. It just says always, so that's also quite cute. It's like an add-on that you get. Now, the next thing that you get are these tabs, post-it sticky notes. I haven't actually used them the last year ones, so this year I'm definitely going to use, and I love the colors are just me. Now, this is what caught my attention. It's the blah blah game. It's basically like a card game. There are a lot of cards in. You shuffle and then you pick a card, and the card has got a question, and the person who's picked the card has to answer it. But another way to play is like, whatever the question is, everybody can answer. I mean, it just depends on you, but it's a pretty cute, fun game, and I love the cards as well. Honestly, they've put in a lot of thought for this year's hamper, and I appreciate it. And I cannot wait for like them to release more such card games, like apart from the planner hamper, because I will definitely buy them. By the way, guys, you can find all of these items separately as well in their store, so I'll leave the website link below and also my coupon code as well. So once this is done, we will move on to the second thing, which is again pretty cute and very aesthetic, and something that I found quite different. So these are friendship and family tokens. I mean, I don't know why brands don't put in so much of thought like this. These tokens are super adorable. I'll just share one with you. It's like sweet tooth, so basically one can redeem it for a dessert with you, and there are a bunch of more. So one is for friends and one is for family, but you can use it either ways. There's no restriction. Honestly, I loved them. I cannot wait to use them and redeem them, and they look so adorable. And also, you know what, you can repurpose them, like reuse them again and again, because they are so cute. And especially if you have kids, this is going to be super fun for them as well. So I love these tokens that they have brought out this year, and I want them to come out with more such tokens, like love tokens and etc. Then we have this letters with love. Now, this is again something that I found quite interesting. So basically what you have are these letters, and in the same letter you write and then you close it to form it in an envelope, and you're done. Again, great to have fun with kids, or even as like, if you're someone like me, you would love this a lot, because I prefer giving a lot of handwritten notes to people. So this is there. Then you've got sticky stickers. So this is like sticky stickers. This is the classic Factor Notes sticker books. Now this has got 600 plus stickers. These are additional pretty cute floral stickers that you can use, and I just love Factor Notes sticker books. Then you've got this mail one. This has always been my favorite part from the Factor Notes hamper, and I am so happy that this year they actually gave like an envelope. So last year they would just give like the cards but not the envelopes, but this year they did. And can we just look at these happy birthday cards? Oh my god, I love them. They are in a heart shape, and this is all that I want. I cannot wait for them to come out with more such things. But guys, just buy the hamper for this one reason, because it's so adorable. And I love the artwork as well. It's just perfect. So you get 4 happy birthday cards, and I'm already like in my mind, I've decided whom to give these cards. Then I have got these other things. So first of all, you've got these pretty cute 4 bookmarks that you always get. These are the artworks on them. Then you've got these postcards. So again, they've got good things written on it, sending you good vibes, thank you, feel better soon, get well soon. Then there are like best mom, best dad, I'm so proud of you. All of these kind of postcards, again, super cute. Then this is another additional thing that they've done. These are like affirmation, cards. You just have to tear them one out and you can put it anywhere or keep it as an affirmation for the day, sort of a thing. And then you've got these big ones, and these are like, I think they've made it like vinyl glossy ones this time than the matte ones last year. So I really like it. They've got like cute things written on it, like motivational stuff. So really liked it. Pretty cute. Okay, so I mean, this happy mail, the envelope that they do every year is something that I've used a lot. I've put up those pictures on my walls, so you guys would know how much I love and adore them. I'm like all about such things, and I really like the fact that they've actually done a bit different this year, and they've put in a lot of efforts, and I appreciate Factor Notes for that. And all of them, from their journals to all these things, are just perfect. So really like it. Now these were the envelope mails. Now we'll come up to a very important planner. So let me show you the planner cover that I picked up. Is this beautiful lilac one. You guys know how much I love purple lilac color, and I picked up this Dream 2024 planner. They have a lot of other beautiful colors that you can pick up from the cover pages, but I went for this one. And the moment I unboxed it, I was like, what, Himani, this has to be a part of your 2024 planner. One thing that I really like about Factor Notes planner is that they're not that bulky, so you can carry around it easily. So this is the first page. Of course, you've got the information page to who this planner belongs to. This year, they've also added a lot of notes. You've got your top 5 goals. I love the cloud form, a 2024 calendar overview, days to remember. Now guys, I am uploading the in-depth review of this planner on my study channel, like just the planner, so you can go ahead and check that out. In this video, I'll just give you a quick flip through. You've got 2023 overview. So I mean, to be honest, their planners are pretty good. They've got sorted everything that you need, so you can definitely blindly purchase it. And the hamper comes with so many beautiful things, so like, what more do you need? So if you want to see the complete in-depth review of the planner, because if you're a planner enthusiast and worries more about what's there in the planner, then you can definitely watch that video. I'll be uploading it pretty soon. But the cover pages are also very beautiful. They've got your weekly layouts, your daily layouts, meal plan, habit tracking, mood tracking, and then monthly reflections as well. So this is how the layouts are, which are going to be repeated every month. Now I'll show you just a few cover pages. I don't want to show you all of the cover pages because I'm already sharing that in the other video. So yeah, let's just see the June cover page, because it's my birthday month and I'm always excited for the cover page for my birthday month. So that was for April. Then we've got a cover page for May as well, and then the June one as well. So yeah, this is the June one. Pretty cute, I love those daisy flowers sorted out there. So that's there. In the last end, you again have your classic vacation bucket list, etc. Everything will be explained in the in-depth review. You also get more stickers in this planner. So if you want to buy the planner individually, you can get these stickers as well. And how adorable these stickers are. These are like your everyday things. I'm back for the period one, was so cute. So yeah, really love this planner. To be honest, this hamper is like the perfect one to go for. And also this year they have included the ultimate guide, which is very similar to the Neora ones. So I appreciate that as well. I think prior to this they used to not, but now they have. So that's a nice touch that they've done. So this, I was just struggling a bit to add these stickers in the pocket, but I finally did. So this was the Factor Notes 2024 Planner Hamper review. I have my words, go get it. I just love it a lot and I'm so excited to use this. So yeah, all the freebies also that you get in this hamper are just worth every penny. Also guys, I'm soon gonna make a full-fledged comparison video of the planners, so do check it out. I've made a lot of other planner videos, so I'll leave the links below. And also I am going to be revealing the 2 planners that I'm going to be using for the year 2024, so make sure you subscribe to both my channels, my study channel and this channel, because I cannot wait to share all of these with you guys. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.